Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about how to verify the truth table of 1-bit comparator of digital electronics lab using virtual lab. Because now in this pandemic situation we can't go to our college. For this reason students are not capable to do the lab. So now for this situation virtual lab is very much essential to do for doing the experiment of our syllabus. So now we will see how to use virtual lab to do this 1-bit comparator. In Google we will type virtual lab. Then we will go to this. After that in the department electronics and communication we will click. After that digital electronics lab IIT Roorkee, because the different IITs have published some experiments in this virtual lab. So we will go for this IIT Roorkee. Now here list of experiments, we will click on this. After that in the experiment number 12 verify the truth table of 1-bit as well as 2-bit comparator using logic gates. So first of all we will do the 1-bit comparator. Okay, now we can see that this aim is to analyze the truth table of 1-bit comparator by using NOT and NOR gate. Okay, and 2-bit comparator by using 1 input NOT, 3 input AND, 2 input AND, 3 input OR and 2 input XNOR logic gate ICs. For this type of experiments you have to get the knowledge about the logic gates, which are the AND, OR, NOT, NOR, XOR, XNOR, etc. First of all, in our previous lecture how to use virtual lab, there we have already established one experiment with AND XOR, and we have done the verification of the half adder truth table. Okay, now here we will do the 1-bit comparator. We will go for the simulation. Okay, here in the simulation part we can see here verify the truth table of 1-bit and 2-bit. So here in this text box we will click this 1-bit comparator. Here we can see this is the diagram. Here we can see one simulator 1 and second one is simulator 2. First we will go for simulator 2 because this is simpler. First of all, comparator means you have two inputs A and B. Now you have to compare what is the greater number and what is the smaller number. Means if A will be 1 and B will be 0, then A will be the greater one and B will be the smaller one, and vice versa. This simple work will be done by the comparator. This is the NOT gate. These two are the AND gate and this is the OR gate. Here we can see from A input, here if we will give 1 here in the A input and in B we will give 1, and here both we have given 1. So A less than B if we give 0, A equal to B if we give 1, and A greater than B, if we give 1, then check A1, B1, then A and B always equal. So how A greater than B will be 1? It will be incorrect. So if A greater than B will be 0, now check, then correct. Okay, I think you can understand this. Okay, now if we will put 0 here in the A input, now A is 0, B is 1, then B is greater than 1. So A less than B will be 1. This condition here satisfies, though it will be 1. A equal to B not satisfied, so here it will be 0, and A greater than B also not satisfied, so it will be 0. Now check. This is correct. If A greater than B, we will put 1, check, then it will be incorrect because B is greater than A here, because B is 1, A is 0. First of all, when we are giving here 0 by NOT gate, it will be 1 to the AND gate, and here in the B, 1 will be the 0 in the AND gate. Okay, so, and the first, if we notice first AND gate, first input will be 1, but second input will be from the B, so it will be 1. So from first AND gate, it will be, output will be 1 from the truth table of AND gate. I think you have the knowledge. Okay, then we will consider the second one. In the second AND gate, from A input it will be 0, and from B input it will also be 0. So here the output will be 0. Now for OR gate, from first AND gate it receives 1, and from second AND gate it gets the 0. So 0, 1. For this it will be first C equal to A bar B, means A get less than B, so it will be 1. After that A equal to B, it will be 0, and A greater than B, it will be 1. So this NOR gate will be the result of A equal to B. Okay. Now we will shift with the simulator 1. In the simulator 1, we can see that 7404, 7408, 7402, how these are the connected, and first of all we will on the power. You can see now it is on. Okay, switch 1 will we will on, switch 2 we will on. Then here we can see X equal to Y, the LED will be glowed. Okay, but if we off the switch 2, then X greater than Y, the LED glows. Why? Because now X is 1 but Y is 0, so LED 1 glows. Okay, if we do the vice versa, then we will off the X and we will on the Y. Then X less than Y, the LED glows. In this way, we can compare this and add to the truth table. Okay, clear? So I think by using this lecture you can capable to do the 2-bit comparator.